Welcome to JD's Prep. In this video, we are going to look at a diagram to determine the abiotic factors. Here we have a diagram that represents a pond ecosystem. And the problem asks us to identify one abiotic factor present in the pond ecosystem and explain how this abiotic factor would affect the frogs in the pond. Let's first start by identifying what an abiotic factor is. An abiotic factor, just like in the name, means without or not living. So abiotic means non-living, and just going to throw an FYI, biotic means living. So basically, things are alive and things that are not alive. Some of the abiotic or not alive things in this diagram include the water. It includes the sun. The sun is not alive. The water itself is not alive. But there are other things that are alive. For example, the frog in this picture is alive. The plants are alive, and those are biotic. So we can really pick any of the abiotic factors. I'll write them all down here. If we really wanted to get specific, I could even include the soil, temperature, the air. You get the point. The second part of the question was asking, explain how this abiotic factor would affect the frogs in the pond. Let's talk about the most obvious one, which is water. Really, you could have picked any of these, but for now, I'll make the case for water. In the case of water we know gives the frog moisture. It also provides a safe environment for it. It also contains its food. I'll do one more. We know that the sun allows the plants to grow. Which will then provide extra shelter. They might also hide more food. Most importantly, it's important to understand what abiotic means versus what biotic means, because this question could also have been asked the other way around. Name a biotic factor, and how would that factor explain, or how would that factor affect the frogs in the pond? Thanks for visiting JD's Prep.